Hello everyone and welcome to today's White Tiger Qigong routine. I'm Alwyn, your White Tiger Qigong instructor for today, and today's routine is a very gentle Qigong routine to rejuvenate your body, mind and spirit. This routine has a beautiful flowing movements and stretching exercises, and we're going to end with a short meditation. So I invite you now to give yourself 10 minutes of self-care for this easy rejuvenating routine that will have a very positive effect on your body and mind, while also promoting your health and well-being. This routine opens the meridian lines which are rivers of energy that flow through your body and energize your internal organs, and this will allow the smooth flow of qi and blood. It's a great routine to flush out any stagnation in the body and meridians, which can cause physical pain if left untreated. It will also assist you to flush out emotional buildup, which is energy in motion, and sometimes this energy can become stuck, and when you practice these movements it will move the energy to help you feel more rejuvenated, energetically lighter and happier. So you can enjoy the qi flow and the feel-good benefits from this routine as you feel connected to your inner power, inner calm, connected to your flow as you relax into the present moment. So go ahead, get ready and let's get started. Feet are shoulder width apart, and we're going to start with shaking it out. So feet are rooted to the ground and heels bounce up and down, shaking the body, shaking the arms, feeling the vibration through the body, lifting the arms in the air, flick the wrists back and forth. This is an ancient Taoist practice, a practice for letting go. This will rejuvenate the body and get you going for the day. A great way to build your qi and your energy. Releasing all the stagnant energy from the legs, shaking the arms. Feel the vibration through the meridians, letting go of all the dirty qi. Raise the arms again, flicking the wrists back and forth. Now the movements get smaller and faster, and you're going to create and hold a ball of qi. So palms are facing each other. Imagine you have a ball of qi between the palms of the hands, and as you inhale, that ball is going to expand, and as you exhale, the ball will compress. So inhale, fill in the belly, hands expand, ball expands, exhale, compress the ball of qi. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. Now shifting the weight to one leg, step out with the other leg, wider than shoulder width. Flat back, bend forward, and you're going to roll a ball of qi. So hands hang down and the movement comes from the hips, shifting the hips from side to side. Imagine you were rolling a ball of qi between the palms of the hands. Moving over to the right and back to center, and over to the left and back to center. Now you're going to slowly roll up, keep the movement going until you're all the way up and step back in with the leg you stepped out with, back to center. Moving on to heavenly pillars. So chin to chest, tailbone tucks in. So inhale, head comes back, tailbone comes out. Exhale, chin to chest, tailbone tucked in. Long deep breaths, inhale back, exhale forward, inhale back, exhale forward, tailbone tucks in, chin to chest. Girdle vessel rotation, clap and warm the hands, generate qi between the palms of the hands, place the hands over the kidneys, stepping the feet in closer together for this one, and you're going to spiral it out from the hips. Imagine you were drawing with a compass, and you're starting with a smaller spiral and spiraling all the way out to your maximum. When you're out to your maximum, you can spiral back in. Moving in the opposite direction, spiraling out with smaller spirals. Imagine you were drawing a circle with a compass, spiraling it all the way out to your maximum. And when you're out to your maximum, you can spiral back into smaller spirals. Ankle and wrist flossing, interlace the fingers, palms together, lift the left leg. You're going to rotate the wrist around and rotate the foot around. Spine is upright, focus is up above the hands. Nice tall spine, and then you can change the other leg. So we're going to rotate the foot, rotate the ankle, and then you can move it around in the opposite direction. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the nose, and release. Eagle spread its wings, bring your hands up to shoulder level, exhale, release. Now bring the right hand behind the back on the kidneys, palm facing out. Left hand stretches right up over the head, focuses on that hand. Exhale, release. Release the hands. Other hand behind the back and right hand above. Right leg behind and left leg is in front. Changing legs, changing hands, changing direction. Now left hand above and left leg behind. Right leg in front, release. Inhale and exhale as you reach up. The supporting leg in front is a slight bend on the knee. Leg that's behind you tilt on the side, and this gives a lateral stretch along the gallbladder meridian. Spleen and liver stretch, interlace the fingers. Inhale, palms facing the sky. Open the toes, exhale to the left, squeezing out the spleen, bring the sternum forward, squeezing the spleen. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the right, squeezing out the liver. Looking up, bringing the sternum forward to squeeze the organ. Inhale back to center. Open the toes, look forward, and exhale, release the hands. Again, interlace the fingers. Inhale. Look up, look forward, open the toes. Exhale to the left, squeezing out the spleen, looking up at the palms. Bring the sternum forward to squeeze out the spleen. Inhale back to center and exhale to the right, squeezing out the liver, looking up at the palms. Bringing the sternum forward, squeezing out the toxins from the liver. Exhale, release. Kidney and bladder stretch, stepping out with the right foot, stepping out to the side at a 45-degree angle, hands by the side. Bring the palms up, inhale, stretch all the way up to the sky, look up, exhale, release the hands by the side of the body, all the way down, running down the right leg. Flex the foot back. When you flex the foot back, place the finger in the center point in the foot, in kidney 1, and flex the foot as back as far as you can. If you feel that the stretch is too much for you, you can modify this by holding onto the knee or holding onto the calf. So it's inhale, then release. Bring the hands all the way up again. Looking up to the sky, release, exhale, hands coming back down, running down the side of the body and then running down on the side of the right leg. Flexing the foot back. Exhale, release, bringing the foot back, holding kidney 1. Inhale. Exhale, coming back down. Repeat the movement. And again, you can modify this stretch, holding the knee or holding the calf, wherever is most comfortable for you. Take a breath here, and it's inhale and back to center, bringing the hands up to hips. And we're going to change to the other side, stepping out with the left leg out at a 45-degree angle. Inhale, bringing the hands up the side of the body, looking up to the sky. Exhale, release. Exhaling the whole way down the side of the body, then down the side of the left leg. Flex the foot back, activating the acupuncture point, kidney 1, Yang Chen, by placing the finger in the center point in the foot, and then you can release. Inhale, bringing the hands all the way up to the sky again. Look up. Exhale, release. All the way back down again, and you can modify this stretch. So when you flex the foot back, you're activating the bladder meridian on the back of the leg. And this runs all the way up through the spine, on the side of the spine. Inhale up. exhale down. Flexing the foot back, activating the acupuncture point, kidney 1, Yang Shen. Inhale back to center. Bring your hands up to hips. So inhale, bring the hands to shoulder level, then palms face the sky, bringing the chi down from the heavens, down through the crown point, and all the way down to the center line of the body. Release the hands by the side and then place them over the lower dantian. Now feet are shoulder width apart, grasping the floor with 10% tension, connecting you to the earth, engaging you to the earth. Taking a few deep breaths here, in and out through your nose, closing the eyes, relaxing the body, relaxing the mind, allowing the chi to settle, allowing you to come into the present moment. Now taking a nice deep inhalation, cleansing breath in through the nose, filling the belly, and as you exhale, releasing out through the mouth, out through the sides of a pinhole, and return back to normal breathing, bringing your awareness to your lower dantian. And we want to store the feeling of joyful, rejuvenated, energetic body, and allow this feeling of joyful, rejuvenated, energetic body to wash over you and carry through your day. Now become aware of the sensations in your body. Listen to the sounds around you, and when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes. Your practice is over. So if you enjoyed today's video and enjoyed practicing along with me, please let me know in the comments below, and please give this video a like, and if you haven't yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell notification so you can check out the next video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon.